As I already mentioned, now we've covered colors, typography, spacing, elevation. We've created styles for all of these things. So we have text styles separated into logical sections or folders, color styles, same thing in there. Effect styles, we have all of these, and they have all of the things that we've created. So we're getting really close to the next steps, and we're going to start building components. But before we are able to do that, you will need to create iconography as a foundational element as well. So you can either copy the icons that we have in this file that you're going to have access to or already do, or you can find the icons that you're going to need in your own Play project. What I do want to consider is ensure that all of your icons are in a consistent style. All of them are following the same rules when it comes to stroke widths, roundness of elements, how much of the space of the icon is filled versus not, and also keep them all in a consistent frame like this. So you can see that all of the icons that I have in here are in the frame that are 24 by 24. All of them have a single shape, and all of those shapes are using a fill from one of our previous lessons where we've created all of those fill styles and so on and so on. So once you have that ready, again, try to look at some free resources, Figma plugins, whatever you want to find the icons that you're going to use. Add them in here. You can even design your own icons if you'd like to. Add them in here, and a crucial step is to go in here, figure out that there are no redundant fill or styles like that. All of the selection colors and all of the styles are just connected to strokes. I do see one fill file, so I'm gonna remove it and see what happens. Unsure where that was, but again, I can always go inside and kind of edit the things when I'm gonna need them. So you can see that all of those are now just using a stroke. It's 1.5 and it's our neutral 900. And I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna create multiple components out of it. Again, I'm not going to combine them as variants, as you've seen in one of the previous videos. Once you do that, you're just going to have a textual list of your icons. In here, if I ever want to switch an icon like this, I can just go in here and have a visual list of all of my icons, or I can even have it as a grid like this. So it's really easy to replace an icon, and you can always search it, so like left, and replace it with that. Ooh, I think I have a problem if left is one of these. Arrow up, arrow down, arrow left, and it's going left. Ooh, this one is rotated for some reason. So I'm gonna fix that, don't worry, but just something that I've noticed right now because I did flip some of these around. Okay, so to fix that, you would actually have to go in here and go into the component and rotate that component by how much would it be? Would it be 0? Yeah, it's 0. In here, 0, but why? Okay, so let's get that to 0. So that's going to, that's arrow right, that's arrow left, perfect. In here, this one is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this in just because maybe you're gonna have a little mistake like that, and it's gonna influence your work later on, and you're gonna notice that something is not working. So I'm gonna keep this as a little bit of a fix and trying to figure out what is wrong with all of these icons. And now that we have them as components, I think we're ready to kick things off. So hopefully you've learned a lot so far and you're ready to learn even more.